Welcome to Skill Station. Today is our 13th lecture of our course named Statistical Data Analysis by using RStudio. We have learned each and everything in detail in our 12 lectures. Today we will discuss about how we can make dendrogram of RStudio. Before proceeding, must subscribe my channel and also watch my complete playlist from Facebook at Google Ads as well as Python course and RStudio course. Must watch previous videos. So today we will discuss about what is dendro, dendrogram. What is dendrogram and how we can make dendrogram on our studio. So these are the topics that we are going to discuss. Dendrogram. What is dendrogram? Types of dendrogram, function of dendrogram. So first of all, we must know what is dendrogram and why we need it, why it is helpful. So we will discuss about dendrogram, its types, and how we can make dendrogram. So first of all, what is dendrogram? What is dendrogram? So we will see in detail what is dendrogram. So here, dendrogram is a tree-like diagram used to represent the arrangement of clusters produced by hierarchical clustering. In simple terms, a dendrogram shows how data points of cluster are merged step by step based on their similarity. Means these show data points how these are similar. So the key concepts, let we see key concepts. Key concepts are leaf nodes, individual data points at bottom of the tree, branches represent merging of cluster of data points. High y-axis represent the distance or dissimilarity between the cluster. Root the point where cluster have merged into big clusters. So these are the basic concepts of the data used in data science. Cluster analysis to decide the number of clusters by cutting a tree or track using height, visualization, relation between observation data sets, commonly used in genetics and pattern recognition. So examples, let's see some examples here. These are here some example types of dendrogram. So let's see types of dendrogram. What are the types? Dendrograms vary based on the type of hierarchical clustering method and how distance are measured and a cluster are merged. Here are the main types of the dendrogram. Single linkage, minimum linkage. So here are some types. Single linkage, complete linkage, maximum linkage. So maximum linkage and single linkage, minimum distance, and best for long chain clusters. Complete linkage, maximum distance, warp method, centroid linkage. So these are the some types of the some types of the dendrogram. Time series dendrogram, correlation based dendrogram, binary Boolean dendrogram. Centroid, warp method, average linkage, complete linkage. So these are the types of the dendrogram. You can see details. So how we can perform dendrogram analysis by using RStudio? First of all, we should import our dataset, and as you know that I am using ficus dataset, ficus arrays dataset for complete our RStudio. You can also use your own dataset that you want to use for ficus. I will choose ficus 5. Here is ficus import first dataset. Here you can see that I have imported ficus dataset. Now what I will do, I will take complete data in the form of the table. It means that I am going to str that I am going to str my dataset. Here, complete data. So I will do str of my data. Here, complete data. So I will do str of my data. str and data is ficus. Ficus. Here, I will run this script. Here I get complete data set in the form of string. I will simply copy this and paste this on I want dendrogram of R types on studio. So here is instruction I gave, and I will now generate a script from ChatGPT. Here is packet dataset. Looks similar to the other dataset. So here is some complete script for dendrogram. Here you can see that. Here is complete script. I have part of dendrogram. I will copy this script and simply paste this script to the RStudio. Here I will paste this script and I will run this script one by one. So let's run this. And there will be some packages missing. So we will also install our packages step by step. And basic packages we will install. So scalar data, date distance matrix, and date list to linkage methods, plot dendrograms for all methods. So here you can see the dendrogram single, dendrogram complete, dendrogram average. So here we see some our session of rotate start new session. So let's restart our there is some errors. But guys, this is the simple concept of the dendrogram. How we can use the dendrogram to interpretation of the visualization of the different points. So here, guys, we can also make step-by-step separate script for dendrogram. We can also get separate script for dendrogram. If we want, I want, I want mix dendrogram. Um, uh, if I said I need only mixed type of the dendrogram on all, simply I will copy this and paste here. I will remove the some previous steps that I said that I need all type. I will remove it and send it to the ChatGPT. Now I will get the script only for the mixed dendrogram. So all the types of the dendrogram has their own function. So you can also make actually depends on your data set that which dendrogram you should plot on RStudio. So here I will copy this script and I will now run one by one this complete. That Dendextend is the package. So it is library. First we will library what package? Yes, this is the done. Diverse library this package and yes done. Here you can see that. Now we will run one by one. Object ficus not found. There is error. There is again error. Again error. So guys, if you see any error, simply you should copy. You should copy the that error. You will copy this error and we will send this error to the ChatGPT. Simply, we will send this error to the ChatGPT. Okay, I send this error to ChatGPT. Let's see. That file is not yet loaded or created your R session. So it means that our data set still is not uploaded. So here, if you're using, you can RN plugin can like this. So first of all, we will again import our dataset RStudio. I think here you can say we will restart our R session. That's why dataset is not imported. So you will again import dataset and you can perform all types of the dendrogram separately. So this is guys all about dendrogram. What is dendrogram? Types of dendrogram, function of dendrogram, and how to perform analysis dendrogram, make dendrogram on RStudio. So you must subscribe my channel. Next, my course is coming SPSS, data analysis, SPSS, and movie. This course will be in also detailed. Must watch my passion course too and complete videos of RStudio. Thank you.